Hi, I'm Jim Elser, Sweet Smoke Q. Today we're going to do some pulled pork tacos with spicy pineapple salsa. Okay, we're going to start with this pineapple. We're going to cut it up, throw it on the grill for a little bit, take the core off. Okay, now we're going to cut them in half again, and then we're going to add some salt. Now to the grill. These are at 275, go on there for about half hour. Get the rest of the ingredients for this grilled spicy pineapple salsa. So we're going to take an onion, dice up an onion, a couple cloves of garlic, dice it up, finally chop it. We're going to show you a little trick on how to do some garlic. We need to add salt, so we're going to add some salt in here. The salt is a little abrasive, so take your knife, cut that down. We're going to take a jalapeno, and finally dice it. We're going to take the seeds out. It smells like a hot one. Sweet red pepper, some cilantro, grab a lime, squeeze it in, and fresh cracked black pepper. I'm going to stir it up. Now it's ready for that grilled pineapple. The pineapple's been on the grill probably about 40 minutes. We're going to dice it up, get that, put it in the bowl. That's set, and we're going to warm up our tortillas. These ones are corn. You can either use corn or flour. I like the corn. Put them on the grill for 5 minutes. We just want to warm them up, still at 275. All right, 5 minutes. The tortillas are hot. Let's assemble a few tacos. Add some of this pulled pork we made earlier. Grilled spicy pineapple salsa. Squeeze some lime on there. Add a little bit of cilantro. There you go. Pulled pork tacos with grilled spicy pineapple salsa.